So we're in a Mitsubishi Rvr 2019 and we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter. Drop your glove box like so, empty the contents. Next, you're going to see my hands here and I'm going to squeeze the sides because you need to work that out. Just like that. Perfect. Once you do that, right here is your cabin air filter. There it is. You can see airflow. Make sure your airflow arrow is in the right direction when you replace it. Go ahead and you can even rest this right here. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can pull this bad boy out. Probably not because I have gloves on and gloves don't allow you to do anything. Look how dirty this she is. You're gonna wanna replace that so that way you're not breathing that in. See how you have all this pine needles and stuff? So go ahead, and if you don't have a replacement right now because you're gonna wait for one online and yours is really, really dirty, go ahead and vacuum it out. Whatever you do, never, if you are gonna blow it out, make sure that you blow it from this angle so that way it's pushing the dirt the opposite direction, because if you blow into here, it'll actually push it deeper into the fibers. But yeah, other than that, when you're done, go ahead, replace, and go ahead and put it just like so, work it in, make sure it's sitting nice and in there like so, and then go ahead, put this back here, and then lock that on there. Make sure they're both locked on. Okay, perfect. You're gonna have that piston that's right here. Make sure the piston locks on. You can either lock it on right here. No, we're actually gonna lock it onto the other side, I think. We're gonna do it on the second side, or the second depth, which is right there. So as you go up, let's show you. There's a second spot right here. See if we can show you on here. See this? So this, as you're lifting, clips onto here. And then you squeeze both sides so it locks into that trough. You can also do it this way. Just like that. And after that side's on, we're gonna lift it up. Gonna lock the piston on like that. There, it slipped back in. It goes. See how it slowly drops now? That's how you know you've done it right. Perfect. That's all there is to it. Press like if it helped you out and subscribe for more.